Unraveling the mystery of bottom of the ninth. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's steeped in American culture, bottom of the ninth. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on enriching your English vocabulary, understanding this expression will give you insight into both the language and the cultural significance behind it. So, let's get started and decode the mystery together. The term, bottom of the ninth, comes directly from the world of baseball, a sport that's not just a game in the United States but a significant part of its culture. Baseball games are divided into 9 innings, where each inning is split into 2 halves. The first half is when the visiting team bats, known as the top of the inning, and the second half is when the home team bats, called the bottom of the inning. So, when someone refers to the bottom of the ninth, they're talking about the last chance for the home team to bat in a standard game. It's a critical moment, often filled with tension and excitement, as it can decide the game's outcome. Interestingly, the phrase has transcended the baseball diamond to become a popular metaphor in everyday English. When used outside of sports, bottom of the ninth signifies a last opportunity to achieve something or make a comeback before time runs out. It evokes a sense of urgency and the potential for a dramatic turnaround, much like the home team rallying for a win in the final moments of a game. Now that we understand the origins and meanings, let's look at how to incorporate bottom of the ninth into our conversations or writings. Here are a few examples. In a literal sports context, the score was tied, and with 2 outs in the bottom of the ninth, Jackson hit a home run to win the game. In a metaphorical sense, it's the bottom of the ninth in my studies, but I'm confident I'll pass the final exams with flying colors. We hope this exploration of bottom of the ninth has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into its cultural significance in American English. Whether you're watching a baseball game or facing your own bottom of the ninth moment, you now have a deeper understanding of this expressive phrase. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.